Good morning, children. A village has a population of 4,000 people. 60 liters of water is required per person per day. The village tanker or the water is cuboid in the shape and with the dimensions 48 meter, 27 meter by 5 meter, which is completely filled with water. For how many days the water of this is sufficient? So here length, breadth, height of a water tank is given, and now what is asked here means per day 60 liter of water is used, then how many days this water can be used for the population of 4,000 people. So what is the tank means, what is the shape? Cuboid. Solution: tank is in the shape of the cuboid. L equal to 27, L equal to 48 meter, breadth is equal to 27 meter, height equal to 5 meter. Number of people 4,000. Water consumption per day equal to 60 liters. Now volume of the tank or the water availability equal to LBH equal to 48 into 27 into 5 equal to 648 meter cube, 80 meter cube. Now 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liters, so we will write 6480, 3 more zeros, liters, because it is given per day 60 liter only. So total water consumption equal to 4,000 into 60 liter per day. So how many liter of the water is total water consumption is there? 6 4s are 24, then 4 more zeros. That means 240,000. That means 2,40,000 liters. Now number of days for which the water is sufficient, or the available water is full tank water is there, from that consumption per day, total consumption is going on like this. So now you have to calculate a number of days for which the water is sufficient. What is the volume of the water divided by water consumption? So 648,000 divided by 240, then 00. So cancel. If you cancel, we'll get a 27 days. A solid cube of side to 12 cm is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. What will be the side of the new cube? And also find the ratio between their surface area. A solid cube of the side 12 cm cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. So we'll write a solid cube, that is the original cube. Side equal to 12 centimeter. So the new cube's side equal to x centimeter. Now they cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. So the volume, both the volumes are equal. So original cube is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. So what we can write, volume of original cube equal to 8 into volume of the new cube. That means 12 cube equal to 8 into x cube. Right? So here we can write x cube this side only. Now 12 cube by 8 cube can be written as 12 into 12 into 12. 8 I am bringing to this side. 2 into 2 into 2. Right? So all the 2 can be cancelled by 6 here. So x cube is 6 is repeated 3 times, means x equal to 6 centimeter. So side of the new cube equal to 6 centimeter. One part of the answer we got. Now the ratio between their surface area they told. So here there is no order is given. So first original cube, then they are cutting into equal volume. So we will go for the same way only. Ratio of solid cube or original cube into 8 new cubes surface area. What is the surface area of the formula? 6a square. So we will write here TSA of original cube by 8 into TSA of new cube equal to 6 into 12 square by 8 into 6 into 6 square. That means the 6 we can cancel. 12 into 12 divided by 8, 6 into 6. So the ratio is 1:2. A river 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide is flowing at the rate of 2 km per hour. How much water will fall into a sea in a minute? So what is given in the question? A river 3 meter deep, 40 meter wide and flowing at the rate of 2 km per hour. So we'll write here height of the river h is equal to 3 meter, width of the river b equal to 40 meter. Next, rate of the flow of the water. Rate of flow of the water 2 km per hour. That means 2000 meter by 60 minute. Cancel means 100, already 10 cancelled. 100 meter by 3 minute. 100 by 3 meter per minute. Sorry. 100 by 3 meter per minute we should write. Okay. Next, volume of the water flowed in 1 minute. Now LBH only, 100 by 3 into 40 into 3 equal to 4000 meter cube. So in 1 minute 4000 meter cube water will fall into the sea. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 the diameter of the earth. What fraction of volume of the earth is volume of the moon? So it is given that diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 diameter of the earth. Diameter of the moon is approximately. So let us write that dm of the earth equal to capital D and dm of the moon equal to small d. Diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of diameter of the earth. That means small d equal to 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. What fraction of volume of the earth? So we need radius only. So radius equal to d by 2. So we can use capital R for earth. Radius of the earth equal to d by 2, whereas radius of the moon equal to d by 2, which is equal to half into 1/4 of capital D. So 1 by 8 of the d. Now volume of the earth divided by volume of the moon equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by 4 by 3 pi small r m cube. Cancel. What is radius of the earth? D by 2 whole cube divided by, what is the radius of the moon? D by 8 whole cube. So d cube by 8 divided by d cube by 8 into 8 into 8. For avoiding confusion, we can write d cube by 8 into so 64 by 1. So volume of the earth equal to 64 times volume of the moon. Metal spheres, each of radius 2 cm, are packed into rectangular box of internal dimension 16 cm by 8 cm by 8 cm. When 16 spheres are packed, the box is filled with a preservative liquid. Find the volume of this liquid only. So volume of the sphere we have to calculate, and volume of the rectangular box we have to calculate. Then volume of the preservative liquid also we should calculate. So what is here means the radius of the metal sphere is given, that is radius 2 cm. So we'll write here sphere radius equal to 2 cm And the dimensions of the rectangular box. Rectangular box means it is a cuboid for us. So L equal to 16 centimeter, B equal to 8 centimeter, H is equal to 8 centimeter. Now number of spheres equal to 16. So volume of the metallic sphere means we have to calculate a first one sphere then 16 sphere, right? Volume of the metallic sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. In this question, I forgot to mention pi should be taken as 3.14 only. So 4 by 3 into 3.14 into 2 cube. Now, how many metallic sphere is there? 16. So volume of the 16 metallic spheres equal to 16 into 4 by 3 into 3.4 into 8. So you will get, after simplification, you will get the answer 535.89 centimeter cube. What is the next part? Volume of the cuboid. LBH 16 into 8 into 8. I hope the question is clear to you. Once again we will read the question. Metal spheres of radius 2 cm are packed into the rectangular box when 16 spheres are boxed in a box. See, whenever we are having a box, in that we are packed with 16 spheres, right? Now this are having the some in between some space is having that liquid. So the volume is asked this liquid only. So first we have calculated sphere volumes, that is 16 spheres are there, so sphere volume we have calculated. Now what is the one more we have calculated? Volume of the cuboid also we have calculated. So for getting the preservative liquid, so volume of the liquid, preservative liquid means volume of the cuboid minus volume of the metallic sphere. So what is the volume of the cuboid? 1024 centimeter cube minus what is the volume of the 16 metallic spheres? 535.89 centimeter cube. So what is the answer now? 488.11 centimeter cube. So here the box is filled with the spheres and also liquid. So liquid volume is asked. So volume of the box, that is the total volume minus sphere volume, we have to subtract. So what is the value we are getting? 488.11 centimeter cube. So practice the questions what we are giving every day. With this today's video I am winding up. Thank you.